It's Easter, and before all those rabbits eat all the carrots, make sure you go grab some, because I'm going to show you how to take that incredibly delicious carrot cake and turn it into carrot cake cookies. Let's go. In your mixing bowl, we're going to add a half cup of room temperature butter, half a cup of white sugar, half a cup of brown sugar. Beat that on medium-high for 2 minutes so it's light and creamy. Now you're going to scrape down the sides. Add in 1 room temperature egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Blend that together. To a cup and a half of all-purpose flour, we're going to add in a half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of nutmeg, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Blend that together. And we're going to add our flour mixture into the sugar and egg mixture and just mix that just to combine. Take a carrot and we're going to finely grate it. About a cup of chopped carrots. And a half a cup of chopped pecans. Now get that all mixed together and get it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Now that the dough is refrigerated, take out a scoop of the dough, make about 1.5 inch, 2 inch ball, and get it on some parchment lined paper on a pan. Into 350 degree oven for about 11 to 12 minutes until lightly brown. Let's get these cookies off the pan and onto a cooling rack. Now we're going to make a cream cheese frosting to drizzle over the cookies. Half a cup, 4 ounces of butter, softened room temperature. Half a cup, 4 ounces of softened room temperature cream cheese. Let's blend that together. Now we're going to add to that a pinch of salt, half teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of milk, and a cup and a half of powdered sugar. Blend until smooth. Now we're going to drizzle over some of our cream cheese icing. And there you have these delicious cookies. Don't they look incredible? I'm going to give one a try. Let's see what they taste like. Wow. It's so soft and chewy and delicious. You're gonna love them. You just say goodbye to bland food and hello to good food. Let's go.